What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We're going on Facebook today. Gonna be checking out a channel called All About Before and After. These guys are doing all kinds of different trike content, off-road content, weird builds, stuff like that. They've done a lot of weird things with some of the older vintage trikes, like the 110s, the 200s, and the Big Reds. So we're gonna get into it and see what kind of wacky stuff that these guys have going on. Let me know what you think about this kind of stuff. We got memberships available. Comments are always appreciated and welcome. Don't be shy. And if you like this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button. We got over 1,000 videos on the channel. Lots of builds, rides, and races. All kinds of different stuff. ATC Nationals for multiple years. Check out the channel. It's funny because Tony and I do stuff like this and the views don't go anywhere. I don't really understand why the views on this channel don't go anywhere and everybody else takes pictures and stuff and their views go crazy. Let me know down in the comments if you know why don't you want to watch these videos? What's stopping you from watching them all the way through? Oh, Lamaha going through the snow. Yep, these guys are located up in New York. They are going to Trike Fest. See, they're on the little 110s and the 200s. I don't have any of those. I've got race bikes. We've got all kinds of race bikes. We got the Big Red. I don't really have any beater trikes. So, I mean, that's another reason that we don't really do that kind of content, because we don't have anything that we want to beat the living snot out of. We've got high-dollar race bikes, and we don't want to hurt the race bikes because we got to win the races. Probably should be getting some stuff so that we can do goofy stuff like this, I guess. I mean, let me know. You guys want to see this kind of content? I mean, you want to see me ghost ride my 250R off the triple? I mean, what do you guys want to see that you'll watch? I mean, I don't really see... There's not a whole lot of... It's hard to impress me because I've been around for so long and seen so much stuff. But I mean, dudes just ripping around doing donuts and small little jumps and stuff. And... there we go, inverted 250R. Stuff that I like. Yep, he's doing donuts. We got donut videos. And? That would be a Tony thing, the wheelie, not me. $250SX. That's how 90s are made. What do we got here? $350X ripping by? I mean, and a wheelie. Why do these videos go so far? I don't understand. Somebody help me understand. Oh, here we go. This is going to be interesting. 250R on... oh, we're going to be slipping and sliding. Kind of like ice. Kind of. That's... what?
Oh, baby! Woo-hoo! 1980!
I am so confused. What am I missing? Big Red, hat on backwards, tank tracks, okay. And it's still slipping and spinning, trying to climb a hill. Are they that much better than tires? Doesn't look like it. It's good to see, so I won't waste my money on them. I'd rather build a lifted Big Red like Big Circa. Go through anything. Oh. Nice wheelie plow. Nice wheel. That's impressive. That's impressive. Okay, yeah, we can do that. I can't do that. Maybe see if Tony can. Trike Fest race. Trike Fest is coming up. Who's going to Trike Fest? And the beautiful R rolls over. 200X. Trike Fest stuff. Snowmobile trailer jumping over a deflated pool. Okay. Now he's jumping over a full... Oh my god. Watch his face on that landing. Ouch. Big red wheelie video in the sunset. That's nice. That's nice. Sunset wheelies. Yep. A little dance. Slow wheelies are not easy for people. He's got the wheelies down. He's got the wheelies down. Okay. Here is their channel. Off-road stuff. Lots of trike and off-road content. Go to Facebook if you're on Facebook. While you're there, hit that Sawyer Custom and Speed follow and go check these guys out. They got some cool content. Definitely looking forward to see what they've got after Trike Fest. I'm not going to Trike Fest, but I know a bunch of people that are, so let's see what they got after that. All right, promo to a buddy's page. Really appreciate you guys watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below what I can do to make these videos so that you watch them all the way through. Appreciate everybody that does watch them all the way through. I guess at the end of the video saying, hey, let me know what makes it so that you haven't watched it all the way through. Most of those people are gone anyways, so y'all that are still here, really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you like the channel content, hit that membership button. The little join button down on the bottom next to the subscribe really helps out a lot. Thanks a lot, everybody. I'll see you in the next one.